like this President Bola Tinubu ti fa wèrè lọ́yàn. You heard me right. Àwọn ọmọ GENZZY ní Nàìjíríà wọ́n ti jáde fún President Bola Tinubu. Wọ́n ní the youth are now ready to speak up. Ó ti di wàhálà o, ó ti di gòbe. Wọ́n ní kò sí kíni máa ń fa agùn mọ́. Wọ́n ní kíni máa ń fa ajá ni. Wọ́n láwọn ready àti fàjà pẹ̀lú President Bola Tinubu. President nìkan ni gbogbo wọn bá fàjà o. Lọ́wọ́ yìí, ó ti kan pastor, ó ti kan àfáà, ó ti kan imam, ó ti kan jẹ́jẹ́ ni mo jókòó mi. Everybody làwọn youth ń fà nísìn o. Kódà wọ́n pè wọ́n títí wọ́n ní ọ̀sùn. Kí ló fa wàhálà? Ìwọ tó bá mọ̀ tó fa wàhálà, President Bola Tinubu ló bọ́ta. Only the youth should look at me in the eyes and tell me what is wrong. Ni youth kan bá bọ́ta, youth kọ́pà ní pàápàá, youth tiẹ̀ tún ní kọ́pà lẹ́yìn. Ló bá bọ́ta, ó ní ebi ń pa àwọn èèyàn, ó ní ìyà ń jẹ àwọn, ó ní President Bola Tinubu, ó ní your government is terrible. Instead, tó yẹ kí wọ́n wá solution. Àwọn ìyá kan bọ́ta, àwọn ọmọ mi sí, àwọn appointee, wọ́n bá bọ́ta, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní pè lórí phone. Wọ́n threat youth yìí, youth kọ́pà ni o. Ẹ má gbàgbé, ṣùgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ yìí o, àwọn ọ̀dọ́ ti dìde pé àwọn máa ṣe 30 days rant challenge. Everybody máa wá bú president. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ lọ kọ́gbẹ́ ẹ̀wọ̀n tó pọ̀ o, torí ẹ máa kó èrò síbẹ̀ tó pọ̀. Mo tiẹ̀ ń gbọ́, wọ́n ní àtúnjẹ owó. Please let's listen. Wo tó wá fẹ́ wo show yìí, jọ má rẹ́rìn o. Tó wá dẹ̀ máa rẹ́rìn, make sure pé o bu omi sí ẹ̀gbẹ́ kan. Má jẹun ata. Warning, don't jẹun ata if you want to watch this show, and don't laugh. Ẹ̀yin tó wà lórí Yorubawuyi, lórí YouTube, ẹ lọ subscribe sí IRINKERINDO Yorubawuyi. Ibẹ̀lẹ̀ tí mo máa rí kíní yìí wò. Tẹ́ bá rí wò ní first day, second day of the ranting. Ẹ lọ sí orí IRINKERINDO Yorubawuyi. Ibẹ̀lẹ̀ tí mo máa rí other days tó kù wò. See you. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ gbọ́, ẹ má rẹ́rìn o.
Abeg, na hungry dey so. Me with my family. How many people go die before you get sense? Kurubu abeg. I dey beg you. I no say nobody vote for you. You enter. But if not be force so, as you say me dey hungry, dey get something. Market women, may we join hand to beg Kurubu, may everything come down. As I dey talk to Kurubu, small pikin sleep mess. When can me hear the other? Guy man, not that I dey talk to you because if you no open cook, you no mesh. You don't do away no good oh. Not be only you dead that seat oh. You come in people for them. You know Dobale, 30 people want Dobale, they go to both Nigeria. Everybody go to the matter. You go enter this world.
Problem always.
When you keep quiet. Why no good do? Why no good? You not supposed to fuck bagada. Internet is your commander. Me I just go one for my own. Kurubu na wo go. I dey beg you. Kurubu. All those bad. Everybody dey hurt. Nobody dey chat. Chat everybody come calm now.
Everybody please. I bet which part of Nigeria this woman come for? Tinubu, if you know open coke, you know they make shh. Everybody don't calm down. Last. Okay, everybody take way. Now let's listen to this guy. This guy won't pay me small. More will listen. Are you ready to learn? Are you ready to speak up? Speak up. Make your 30 days ranting. Everybody must speak up. You go all talk. Talk's okay.
Jonathan leaves 7 trillion debt and he dey pay for subsidy. Buhari leaves 77 trillion debt and he dey pay for subsidy. Now Tinubu dey hold 121 trillion debt without subsidy. It's obvious say the General Overseer of Redeemed Christian Church of God know exactly what is going on in this country. People can see it clearly. Pastor Enoch Adeboye, you will never make heaven. God don design special place for hell for you. As you decide to collide with these people, you led protests against Jonathan's government. You and your people gather, do this banko for this administration to penetrate this country. All the strategies we wanna use, we know. And nature go deliver justice against you. Adeboye, you claim to care for the sheep, but you are the wolf destroying the sheep. All the strategies where these people take enter government, they plying through bandits, and all the atrocities where these people commit just to penetrate, enter power. You know how many lives will waste for naught? All the Chibok girls, this current administration make sure say Jonathan leave that office by fire by force, and nobody knows say you dey part of them. But time don't come. The cry of those people, their blood don't finally reach God here, and he go deliver justice against you. It's obvious how now they disguise, they deceive people in the name of Christianity. You they dine with blood-sucking demons, and if they ask you, you go say, Jesus no dine with the sinners. You see you, Adeboye. Nature will judge you. Yes. Innocent people don't die because of that protest where you participate. Millions of lives have been wasted because of that protest where you participate. And their blood continue to haunt you and your family. None of them will go scot-free. Since you leave the work where God give you, go they do the work where you decide to do by yourself. Nature will judge you. Father Mbaka, you no go pay well. The Ikue go locate you. You go damage your body. The Ikue go locate you, go pieces your body. They no go see part of your body peak. Reverend Father Mbaka. See all those atrocities we wanna commit against humanity for this country. una no go scot free. The office where God give una to control, una choose to use am wicked people. Because of how much? Because of how much? But nature go do in work. Posterity go do in work full time for una head. Now see these two men of God. Now them be the reason why we dey where we dey today. Now them be the reason why we dey suffer, they cry, they do this ranting today. When I think say hand no fit touch una, but hand of God himself. The man wey una dey life on his head, his hand go touch una, and una no go escape in wrath. Now me talk am. Millions of people have died. Hunger dey land, and millions go still kpai because of una. Now every citizen in this country is owing 656,000 naira. Money where we no know where it take come from. Money wey all of una gather dey share, now we dey pay. And you think say God no go judge una? Adebo, you think say God no go judge you? Fanabaka, you think say God no go judge you? Una no worry. Una must wise for this country. Una must wise by force.
Ozuogidini, before I play the third video, I beg 650 wetin I hear say everybody dey hoe. I beg, I think say me I no dey inside yo. Me my family no dey inside. 656,000 owó kíni? Ṣé free medical care la rí ni? Àbí free health care? Àbí free school la rí lọ? 656,000 each citizen of Nigeria. Àmàwà dáràn. Irú kí leléyìí? Irú olúwo la yà yìí? As this thing dey go, you sure say e go end soon? Báwọn ọ̀dọ́ ṣe ń fà lọ yìí, tó máa end kíákíá báyìí ṣá? Àbí kó máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ojú bọ̀bọ́ ìkorò gan o, inú ń bí gidi gan ni. There's not, my brother, point of correction, this is more than hunger, this is starvation. Ebi eléyìí tí kò ní ebi, ó ti di iyàn. Tí ẹni tí ó bá fẹ́ kí o má kú síbi tí aṣọ òun bá wà, kó má kàwé mi sí àwọn tó jẹ 656,000. Owó kíni? Owó kíni? Abeg make we listen to the third person. Kó tó di pa máa fi èpè, abeg sí máa ṣépè fúnra wa. Kí ló dé? Now listen, let's see.
I think all of us are not getting guys, I think all of us are not getting tired. I think this thing don't worse to the point that we are now tired.
50.
Because why? One pure water now is 15 naira. Was 15 naira. Half of 100 naira, 15 naira. These days, if you give person, okay, if person beg you for money and you give him 1,000 naira, the person will just look you like this. Waiting this thing they turn to. I beg. This one will not be joke. Waiting this thing they turn to. Waiting this thing they turn to. Everything don't see. I swear to God, nothing will not cost for this Nigeria like this. See, if you are not making good money, you no go survive. You no go survive right now. You no go survive. You go be like person. You go just look like beggar. You go look like person when you say you no go, like say you know they work at all. Why? Make all these things easy for us now. Make we not talk about rice. Rice now gold now. If you get rice for us now, gold you get. No be play. This one no be math. If you get rice for us, you go out, they come inside, go they laugh. No be matter of play. Why won't we talk? So because some of us are not talking, does that mean that some people can't talk? They will talk. This is getting crazier. We are going crazy. We are getting mad. We are going mad. Like bro, everything is expensive. Anything you talk about, how much do this thing? So if you hear the price, you go fall. You go, hey, what's it go on? So these days, no amount of money where they make, the money don't go fit you at all. Even if the money enter your account, you go not say all this money self. You no need to buy this, no need to buy this. The money don't go. If you calculate what you want buy, pew, the money don't go. Pew. I beg, guys. I beg, government. I beg. May we not help us out on this one. May we not help us out on this one right here. May we not help us. peace.
30 days rant challenge ó ti wá ní agbára báyìí o. Everybody ti fẹ́ ya wèrè ní Nàìjíríà, and do you think Nigerian government wọ́n ráyè tell anybody? Wọ́n ráyè. Yes, ọ̀nà go rant tire nìkan tí wọ́n máa sọ nínú chamber wọn, just like the time táwọn sọ pé a fẹ́ lọ fún protest. Akpabio said it to the Nigerian face. You pay you go dey protest, he go dey inside him room dey eat. Is that a country? Well, if you want to hear about this ranting, where she bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o, 30 days rant challenge. Just join me on IRINKERINDO Yorubawuyi. If you can see it on Yorubawuyi, first day, second day, maybe the next 28 days, or maybe this thing is not ending soon. No. Challenge wo lẹ́yìn fẹ́ ṣe. Now speak up. Send the video to me. Let's show it to the world. Let the world see this. Ìjà yìí ti kúrò ní ìjà àdọ́wọ́bò nínú ilé. I think everybody should speak up. Hand don't touch everybody o. Ọwọ́ ti ba oníkálukú. Kò easy mọ́. Àwọn táwa nílùú òyìnbó gan àràrà gbà sí mọ́. Ìyà ń jẹ everybody nílé lóko. And the nǹkan tí Nigeria, what it takes to stay in our country and be a good citizen and enjoy. But àwọn kan jókòó tì wọ́n ti ẹ̀ kí ẹ̀. Imagine everybody tó ń sọ̀rọ̀. When you talk too much, they say ẹ lọ gbé. They can make you disappear at any time. But now people are ready. Ọlọ́pàá máa kó anybody. People are now ready to speak up. After all, the president said, look at me in the face and tell me what is wrong. We are not here to tell you what is wrong. Mr. President, Mr. Kulumbu, àbí kíni ìyá yẹn pè lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Mr. Kulumbu, ọmọ olódò dẹ, ẹ̀dẹ̀ wàá mọ́dò dẹ. Ọmọ olódò dẹ ló pè yín. I think pé ẹ̀ ń bọ̀, ẹ̀ ń gbé idẹ bọ̀ ni. Ẹ wá mọ́dò dẹ sọ́dọ̀dọ̀ orin. Ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fẹ́ everybody lórí. Please, what do you see about this ranting? Are you ready for more? Follow me. Let's go. Put your comment in the comment section. We never can tell who will see this. Share this video for more people to see. I love you. Bye.